Latest on the transfer news, sanibona bafethu uVane so I'm back again with indaba zakweBetway Premiership. Amathema amaningi ayathenga, engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So uzoqala ngeindaba la ngomdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns osezoba umdlalo omusha weWydad Casablanca. Manikhumbula kahle bafethu I spoke about uThembi Nkosi-Lorch being linked with iWydad Casablanca, but ke iWydad Casablanca yathi ukuhlehla kancane because yayingakabi nayo iprice ezoyinikeza iMamelodi Sundowns because bebemfuna ngempela uThembi Nkosi-Lorch. But ke iWydad Casablanca ihambile ngempela yohlanganisa amasenti yabuya kweMamelodi Sundowns yathi cha siyamfuna ngempela uThembi Nkosi-Lorch. He was i-star player sabo weClub World Cup and umchida uyathanda ngempela ukuhamba kweSundowns because there is no room for uThembi Nkosi-Lorch anymore kweMamelodi Sundowns. So iSundowns ivumile. So iWydad neSundowns they finally agree on a fee for a permanent transfer yaThembi Nkosi-Lorch. Menikhumbula phela waye-loan last season. It was not a permanent transfer. So sebetholile ke i-permanent transfer deal. Umjida usezojoyina iWydad Casablanca nje. Kwezinye zeindaba bafethu umdlali osathanda kudedelwa Orlando Pirates uNdaba Ithethwa Ndlondlo. Currently uNdaba Ithethwa Ndlondlo udlalele Bafana udlala le kuma-10 competition games. Umchidi uyadlala ngempela and uyashine kulawa ama games lawana. Kuphuma indaba namhlanje kuthiwa iMarumo Gallants isemsayinile umchida usebuyelile kwile club le ayidlalela. Indaba ezimnandi ke lezi because umchida ngempela washine kwiMarumo Gallants ingakho nje wathola imove yakuOrlando Pirates because iclub yamenza ashine iMarumo Gallants isimtholile right now una 30 years old uyofika lapha ayisiza iMarumo Gallants eqhubeke idlale kahle njengoba right now idlala kahle nje. Kwezinye zeindaba bafethu Orlando Pirates namhlanje confirmile itransfer kaKim Vudi. Kim Vudi ke bafethu useconfirmile ukuthi useyishilo Orlando Pirates uyojoina iFC Ashdod yase-Israel. Umchidi uyojoina on a long uyojoina kwi-loan with an option to buy mekuphela iseason. Njobe uyojoina nje le team uyojoina with an option to buy. Ngenzeka le team le ingamthengi uma ingagculisekanga with ama services akhe uKarim Kimvudi, but ke uKarim Kimvudi currently he is not an Orlando Pirates player. He's umshida ekhona ku-website Orlando Pirates, but ke he's not an Orlando Pirates player right now because he will join iclub yale Israel kwi-loan with an option to buy. Yabo, I know abantu abanye I saw a lot of comments regarding uKarim Kimvudi leaving Orlando Pirates. Ama fans amaningi amthanda uKarim Kimvudi. Yes, he was a good player, but umchida he didn't click with this squad Orlando Pirates. Wanikezwa amathuba amaningi umchida, but for me I don't think umchida ngempela wasebenzisile amathuba anikezwa wona. Amathuba nje anikezwe wona, he didn't use those opportunities. Angithuki ngempela ngiyibona lento. Angithuki ngempela. Ngangitshela ukuthi umchida uzoba loaned last season, but ke right now uzoyithola i-loan umchida. Orlando Pirates imbekezelile, but ke umchida wasebenzisanga amathuba anikezwe wona. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. If wawumthanda uKarim Kimvudi, I'm sorry, but ke umchida right now he will join iclub yale Israel bafethu for i-loan. Kwezinye zindaba omunye umdlali weMamelodi Sundowns, iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu siconfirmile ke la ukuthi uMatthias Esquavelo uzojoina iclub yaseGreek. Iclub yaseGreek ibizwa ngani ngeKifisa. Umchida naye uhambile with the loan to buy. iMamelodi Sundowns idedelile nayo bafethu. Hey, ziyabuya kuSundowns. Kwezinye zeindaba bafethu uPhakamani Mahlambu, mina ngimkhumbula uPhakamani Mahlambu, the former Bidvest West, the former Mamelodi Sundowns, the former Al Ahly, the former AmaZulu player and the former Chippa United player bafethu. Umchida uzothola ithuba elisha lokuthi adlale kuBetway Premiership ngoba ngithola indaba la kuthiwa umchida uassesswa iDurban City. iDurban City right now they are recruiting, they want new players. Umchida uzothola ithuba, asazi ke noma iDurban City uzomsayina yini, but basam-assesswa kwamanje bafuna ukubona ukuthi lisakhona yini italent ekhona bezokwazi ukumnikeza icontract akwazi ukudlalela iDurban City, asize iDurban City. Indaba ezinhle kakhulu ke lezi bafethu. Abadlali baningi abadlali abaphelelwa ama-careers besabancane ngenxa yezinto ababezenza outside of ibhola. Yabo, so umchida unikezwa leli thuba. I hope leli thuba leli akalimoshi because kwaphuma indaba ngempela kuthiwa umchida outside of football iwenza izinto ezimangalisayo. Kuthiwa waspend i-48k kuyinkamu zafaro, but ke that's a story for another day. I hope umchida uzosebenzisa leli thuba akwazi ukudlala kahle mfethu. Sadinga ukumbona kuBetway Premiership akwazi ukuqhubeka necareer yakhe. Kwezinye zeindaba mfethu kuphuma indaba kuthiwa kune-tension kwiChippa United. Kune-tension kwiChippa United between ucoach uSinethemba Bhadela nosporting director uSinesipho Mali. Kune-tension. Le tension ke le bafethu ingixakile because iChippa United bengitshela ukuthi iya kwindlela e-right, but ke kuthiwa kungenzeka ucoach bafethu uSinethemba Bhadela ashiye iChippa United. Ngenzeka ucoach bafethu ayishiye lo coach lo sesana kufika usalethe bethu wayibona igame yakhe idlala against Mamelodi Sundowns. iChippa United ibidlala ibhola elimnandi asazi kuzokwenzakalani for uSnethemba Bhadela, but ke it looks like umjida ngenzeka ahambe kwiChippa United. Kuthiwa there's a lack of alignment, kunama disagreement on recruitment and vision. uSnethemba Bhadela ufuna abadlali aba-right, sporting director uSinesipho Mali ngawuthi aka-align with ama-vision akhe umjida, so kungenza ngempela ahambe. Let's hope umjida uzothola i-team e-right uSnethemba Bhadela. He's a good coach, maybe ama-big team la ku-Betway Premiership angazama ukumlanda, we don't know. He recently worked with uRolani Mokwena, so I think uRolani Mokwena uzomlanda umjida womjoyina le ku-MC Alger. Asazi mhlawumbe iOrlando Pirates izongqongqoza, who knows. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs kumele ilinde kancane for uVelibayo uthi ayidlalele. Kuthiwa iCape Town Spurs isifile enye e-appeal, yabo njoba ifile nje le appeal le kuthiwa uVelibayo wayi-free agent kusho iPSL, but ke iSpurs siya-challenge sithi cha i-NSL i-handbook iya-state ukuthi i-appeal against an order of i-DRC kumele isuspende i-operation of that pending and the finalization of any appeal or arbitration. Kuthiwa leli cala ngempela bafethu lisaqhuba inkantolo, asazi liyophela nini. Yize iKaizer Chiefs isim-announcile uVelibayo as their new signings ezogqoka unumber 17. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iStellenbosch isimsayinile umdlali omusha wabo uThapelo Mabokodi, bamsayina nje kwiMarumo Gallants. I-striker bafethu bezidlala kwiMagesi FC last season sesibuyile ke soyidlalela iMagesi FC ngokomthetho ke right now. Siphuma kweMamelodi Sundowns ubekuyilona umjida uThabang Sibanyoni usewumdlali kwiMagesi FC ngokuphelele, yabo. Kwezinye izindaba iChilli Boys bafethu iChippa United isayinile uBandile Dlamini noSisanda Mpele, both bana 21 years old, baqhamuka kwiReal AM bawu2 abajida. Kuthiwa iChippa United kumele ilinde kancane for umdlali ubani istriker lesi siqhamuka kwiRichards Bay. Istriker lesi siqhamuka kwiRichards Bay saseSwaziland bafethu uJustice Figueiredo. Kuthiwa umjida kumele balinde kancane, kusanenkinga ezikhona, but ke umjida ngempela usazo impressa kwiChippa United.